Hello, I'm T-Rex Plays, and today I'm going to be making my own gaming rig. I'm going to make many videos with this gaming rig after I download this video. This is a memory. This is just the storage. This is the CPU. This is the tower. That is a keyboard. Those are two speakers over there, and that's a giant screen. And motherboard, graphics card, wires, and Bluetooth. Wireless and Bluetooth. That's pretty much all. First, we open the case. Stretch out wall of the tower. It's at the cover. Look, we can put so many components in this room. So after we opened it, first we installed the power supply. We put the motherboard on these pins. Now we're going to install the motherboard. Really fragile item. Now we screw in the motherboard. Now it's time to move into the next one, and the difficult process of aiming. Take aim and fire. Clocks go this way. Is this right where clocks go? And tighten it. Them tighten it. But this one's really difficult. Aim, now turn. Did I get it correctly? Now install the solid state drive. Right here. Right there. Now we're going to push that down until it's flat. Now we screw down the screw. Hit AM. Go opposite direction. Tick tock like a clock. Now we're going to pull back these gray tabs first to install the memory. Here. Now we gotta line them up. I put them in. Line them up. I think I'll need a different angle for this. Can't do this. Yeah, so now it's time to install CPU. This is the most fragile part because it's the brains of this computer. It goes right on that giant square in the middle. I'm going to teach my dad how to do it because this is the most fragile piece of the whole thing. First you lift the lever. Then you match up the square corner. This one. Yeah, that's a computer brain if I saw one. Now you put it over down. Very slowly, just a computer brain. And you're done. On this motherboard, we need to take away these two things. This way is opposite. I'm going to mount the cooling fan around those 4 holes in the CPU. Around the CPU. Now we tighten the cooling fan. Is that the right way? Is that as a clock? Tick-tock like a clock. Is that tight enough? Hang on, tick-tock like a clock. But we're putting this cable to the dot that says fan 1. The power plugs in the cooling fan. Where is it? Right. Yeah. So we're gonna punch out these two. We're gonna punch these two out to make room for the graphic card. They're going to install the graphic card. Now this goes in that long port. I see gold. It has to hold it down. There. Now we're going to show Wi-Fi and Bluetooth card under it. Right here. This is not scored. It's my desktop. And now that we know where everything fits, we can now do the wiring. We take everything out and do wiring. Guess will take a long time. The wiring is complicated. Be sure to check your motherboard manual for a detailed layout. We're going to plug in the front USB ports. Now I'm going to plug in this, the power to the graphics card. Can't aim properly. Turning it around. Now we're connecting the CPU power. I forgot to do this one quickly. Lost my placement. So now I'm going to connect the main power to this thing to make this thing operate. And this is basically connecting something to the brain. And now it's time to put the glass on. This one's really in. I don't know why, but just it's easier to screw it. Okay, it's now time to work on the software. We plugged everything in. We put Windows on this drive and plugged it in the back. It's time for the moment of truth. It failed. We opened it up and the power button pins were backwards. So this is the real moment of truth. Hopefully it works this time. What? Oh, I hear something coming from it. I don't hear it sound. Wait, the fan. I saw the inside fan moving. It's powering up. Wait, that thing's turning on. Why are the fans not spinning? They're spinless. What's wrong? It worked. This part will take forever. I'm not showing you my code. Next time I do a gaming video, I'll use this computer. Bye. Cut. So we got everything working now. We've only made mistakes on this thing. Front fans were plugged into the wrong port. We plugged them into system fan 1 and they worked. And the power switch cables were backwards the first time. But it's fish now.